Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by readying the two numbers and the verification channel. Insert both SIMs or power up the second device and make sure each can receive SMS or calls. Once done, back up your existing WhatsApp chats. This prevents data loss. Next, choose your configuration. Use WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business on one phone, use a dual SIM phone with separate apps, or run one account on a second device. This first action sets you up for smooth verification and avoids account conflicts. Now you perform the registrations and configure each account. Install the required apps, standard WhatsApp plus WhatsApp Business or a parallel app tool, then register the first number and finish SMS or call verification. After that, register the second number in the other app or on the second device. Make sure you don't skip permission requests like contacts and storage. Once both accounts are active, customize profiles, notification tones, and privacy options so you can immediately tell which number is in use when messaging or receiving calls. Finish by testing everything. Send texts, make voice and video calls, and confirm status updates and backups run. Enable two-step verification on both accounts for security and link additional devices via WhatsApp web or desktop app as needed. If something goes wrong, verification stuck or message sync fails, first restart the phone, reinsert the SIM, and request a call instead of SMS. If issues persist, check network, clear app cache, or temporarily switch off dual SIM conflicts. That usually resolves the remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.